Hello and welcome to this video on how to make a vision board for 2023. A vision board is a powerful tool that can help you clarify your goals, focus your intentions, and manifest your dreams into reality. In this video, we'll be walking you through the steps to create your own vision board for the new year. First, let's gather some supplies. You'll need a large piece of poster or foam board, scissors, a glue stick, and a selection of magazine, clippings, or printouts of images and words that represent your goals and aspirations for the year. Next, take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve in 2023. Do you want to travel to a new destination? Start a new hobby? Achieve a promotion at work? Write down a list of your goals and aspirations for the year. Now, start sifting through your magazine, clippings, and images, and look for ones that resonate with your goals and represent the feelings and experiences you want to manifest in 2023. As you find items that speak to you, cut them out and start arranging on your poster board. You can create a collage of images or arrange them in a specific pattern or layout that resonates with you. Once you've arranged your images and words on the board, use your glue stick to secure them in place. You can also add any additional elements such as stickers, quotes, or personal mementos to your vision board to make it even more meaningful and personal. Finally, hang your vision board in a place where you'll see it often, such as on your bedroom wall or on your office bulletin board. This will help keep your goals and intentions top of mind and serve as a daily reminder to stay focused on manifesting your dreams. Congratulations, you now have your very own vision board for 2023. Remember to revisit your board regularly and make any necessary adjustments as your goals and aspirations evolve over the course of the year. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own vision board and start manifesting your dreams for the new year.